In today's video, we are going to show you how to analyze your games on chess.com so you can find mistakes and improve faster. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open chess.com and log in using your credentials. Now, here on the play button, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose to play with a coach, play with a bot, but my preference is to play online. Because if you do, now I'm gonna go and play Blitz, which automatically searches for an opponent. It will find a random player who is also currently online. Once you get a match, you can start playing right away. So luckily, I was matched with Cavalord, who is in the champion division. Now, let the game finish first before you can start analyzing. After a game ends, you'll usually see a game review button on the screen, and I want you to click that to start reviewing your game. Chess.com will load stats, move classifications, and graphs showing who had the advantage during the game. Now, the game review gives you move ratings like best, excellent, blunder, and a game graph showing advantage changes. It also shows you some key mistakes explanations, but let me tell you right now that free users usually get limited reviews per day, while premium users get unlimited reviews. So it's a good idea to upgrade your plan here in chess.com. And basically that's it on how to analyze games on chess.com. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.